Hi everyone, right, we've got two huge kits here at the moment, and Tatty's going to help me at the moment. Say morning, Tatty.
Hi,
oh, it's
hi.
afternoon, I think.
It's afternoon already.
Afternoon,
yeah, we did a lot.
So Tatty's going to show it everything. If we start with the box and then we can put it in, sort of thing, if you know what I mean.
It's so much. It's
there's
so
loads
much.
here.
We don't know where to start, but we're going to start with the box because the box is the more beautiful part.
And it's huge.
It's huge.
It is. If you put your hand there for size, yeah, see?
Look how beautiful, and the texture.
It's a textured box, like a canvas texture. Big heart box, and it's really, I'll tell you what it is, it's 6 or 7 inches deep. It's got an insert, like a plastic insert, so you can take that out. For now, don't fold them now, we'll just show them what's going in it and then we'll pack it afterwards. So you've got a yard of that material, fabric, it's 5 or 6 inch wide. A yard of that one. A yard of the flowers, so you can cut them individually. Yeah. I think it's just over half a yard of that one. It's nearly a yard actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got this gorgeous...
Beautiful, yeah. It's gorgeous necklace set. Cut it up, don't you? Or wear it. Do what you like with it. Do all the trims. You'll do the trims.
The good thing about this kit is that you have so much material. You can make more projects.
Lots more, yeah. That one. Yeah.
More
looks good up the side of the...
with, than only the box.
Yes. That trim. The new one that's come in. Yeah. They're double-sided. Double-edged, should I say. Yeah.
I hope everything fits inside.
Well, it fit in the other one. Same box, innit? That one, yeah.
Yeah, but I had to really... This is so cute.
Look at those. You're getting a whole bunch of those. Yeah. That's what I use on the ballerina slippers. And you're getting a pair of ballerina slippers. You know, the socks. This is the multi one, which you can use for... It's chunky, that. It's lovely. Oh, can I just... Hang on. Right, there you go. That was Raymond, by the way. And Tatty, you're there to prove it.
Yeah, I'm the witness.
There you go. For those of you who don't know, every time I go to film, hubby dear rings. I don't know who manages it. I really don't. A new trim. That's in the shop. Well, it will be in the shop shortly. I'm going to go down and put it on.
I put everything not in a particular order. Huh?
So you have those and those. Yep.
3 of each.
Uh-huh.
Look how gorgeous.
I know.
The whole set.
Earrings, bracelet and pearl necklace with diamante roundels. Yeah.
Oh, I have to push a little bit because...
Super soft. Yep, love that one. Yeah, I was going to say put it over your hand. Yeah, that's it. You can see it better. Yeah, nice. And I love that. They can be cut individually, of course. Yeah.
Everything gets stuck together here. A nice applique.
Beautiful applique.
This we're going to put... Okay, this is the... How many midi?
That's the 6mm.
Okay. A yard.
Yeah, that's the one we call the luxury one because it's really, really pretty. It's creamy. It's the wedding one, that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's coming from the wedding department.
Yeah. And this is the Love Heart Iridescent trim.
Also a yard.
Yeah.
There's almost from everything is a yard.
Yeah, that's right. And these are back in stock, which are just, yeah. They're the iridescent ones, which are 12mm wide. Then we've got the metal chain with the enamel. You've got with diamantes.
So beautiful, this one.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
And then you've got the pink and clear chain. But this is the big one, that's a 10mm. No, 8mm, sorry. Do all the I'm going to say do the chain. Yeah, just do those for now and get rid of them. It's 2.5mm lace. Sorry, 2.5 inches, not millimetre. Right, I'm just going to show you these close up. Nottingham lace, then you've got that little flowery one there. That ribbon, those are the gross grain ribbons. And then you've got 3 different sizes in the one under the lemon one. And that's the gross grain. And then you've got that trim. So that's that for the trims.
It's too much. Too much. Those beautiful flowers from each one. From these flowers, you're going to get 6.
Yeah.
From these, you're going to get each 6. Oops-a-dozy.
Yep, 6 of those as well.
And you get 1 of those.
Yep.
So that we're going to put back in the...
It's a big
sack.
kit.
It's a very big kit. Because there is another sack coming.
Yeah.
And it's going to be very full. We have to stack it very good to get everything inside. You're going to get a pair of socks.
The lace socks.
The lace socks.
To do the ballerina shoe if you want.
Look what is in here. All goodies.
Let's have a look. Right, you get 10 applique butterflies. That's those. You're getting 1 of those at Tatty Made. You're getting the earrings that you can cut. There's 2 acrylic leaves there back in stock, ladies and gents. Pack of the mother of pearl buttons. The double chain, which is a pearl chain fastener. It's got clasps on the end. 1 of those, it's an applique. Somebody asked what it was in a parcel they got. It's a kind of like an applique they can use. 3 of the roses, the rolled roses.
And also
the darker one, and 3 of the cream.
And 3 of the cream ones.
Yep, so you're going to get 6 of those all total. 3 of these buttons, oh sorry, 1 of those for the flower centre if you're going to make a flower for the box. 3 of the buttons that you can paint and colour. And then 3 of the bells to make your tassels. Anything else? And a little crown charm.
And that was it.
And that's your kit. There's lots and lots of things there. And now I'm going to pop this up on YouTube.
But there are only 2.
And there's only 2 boxes absolutely stuffed full of goodies. So look out for them on the shop and grab them while you can. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye for now.